Smart Sections is a feature that greatly simplifies the web development process. It allows for the centralized management of specific sections that repeat across multiple pages of a website. When users make changes within a Smart Section, these changes are automatically updated across all related pages. This makes content management more efficient and error-free. For example, elements like contact information or social media links located in the footer of a website can be managed using Smart Sections. When an update is made to these elements, the change automatically reflects across all pages of the website. This feature saves time for website owners and developers and enhances the consistency of the site. Smart Sections are also crucial for maintaining brand integrity. Providing a consistent look and feel across all pages enhances visitors' interactions with the site and boosts their trust in the brand. In short, Smart Sections is a tool that significantly improves user experience by making website management more effective and interactive. To add a Smart Section to your page, there are a few small steps you need to follow. You want to add a navbar element to your website and ensure that this element appears dynamically on all pages. First, move the navbar element to your page from the Elements section. Then, while the area is selected, save this area using Save Section from the Options section and make sure the Smart Section option is selected. Save the process. All the changes you make within the navbar element in the Smart Section are now dynamically functioning across all your pages. To quickly transfer the Smart Sections you have saved to other pages, go to the Smart Sections section on the left side of the panel. In this area, you will see all the Smart Sections you have saved. Simply drag and drop them onto your pages, and the changes you make in a single area will now automatically refresh on your other pages as well. LightFunnels Academy continues to grow the panel with the videos we have prepared for LightFunnels users to work more efficiently and see what they can do using the power of LightFunnels. We will continue to prepare all the features of LightFunnels with tutorial videos. You can create stunning websites with dozens of free funnels and store themes that LightFunnels offers to its users. Thanks to the fast and easy use of the panel, you can create more work in less time. Moreover, LightFunnels comes with a 14-day trial for new users. Create an account today and build a store or funnels using the powerful features we offer you. Experience the joy of selling.